What's good, everyone? Good morning. Today is Sunday, December 27th. Happy holidays to everyone. My name is Eddie Chiba. Welcome to the page. Welcome to the video. Well, before we begin, I like to say, watch the whole video. If you like what you heard, what you saw, and it brought you value, click on like, click on that subscribe button, comment, and share as much as you can. It'll greatly be appreciated. Thank you very much. But first, let's begin your internal seed. This is going to be more or less a quick tutorial on how to get started, where the link sends you, how to get on the boards. I won't take up much of your time. So here we go. Let's begin. All right. So once you click on a link, someone sends you a link. They invited you over, family, a friend thought highly of you. They sent you the link, they for an invite, or you bumped into this video on YouTube and you happen to click on my link or someone else's link. This is the page that you will be in, that you will get into. So what you do here, you scroll down, you read everything that is what it's all about. These are the 5 levels right here that you're in. Remember, everyone starts at the $25 level. You know what I mean? You start gifting at this level one, $25. The only time you're really gonna come out of pocket, there's a $10 admin fee. If you click on this link, I'll waive that $10 fee. I have credit for Bitcoin because it goes through a Bitcoin process. Not everyone does it, but I have credit for the Bitcoin, so you don't have to worry about that. So the donation will be free. It'll just be $25 that'll come out your pocket. You read everything. We won't read it all, for time's sake. But and then you just keep scrolling down. You read the frequently asked questions, like what is private gifting? How did this concept begin? Who can participate? Is this a pyramid? Do I have to be a salesperson to this program? You read all of that. They have answers to all of that. Keep scrolling down. This is all how it looks. These are the questions and the answers. 15 questions, 15 answers. You like what you read, what you saw. You do this. Boom. You come here. Join us. You're going to get this registration. You're going to register an account. Very simple. This is my username, Chiba. This is my government, Eric Herrera. Chiba is my username. And like I said, don't worry about this $10 donation with Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin credit. I will activate your back office. That's strictly to activate your back office. Not everyone deals with the Bitcoin, but most inviters have this Bitcoin credit, so you don't have to worry about that. And my link, I'll waive that $10 fee if you join on this link down here. So it's your first name, last name, Gmail address, email address, phone number. You create a 4-digit PIN code. You get your username and your password. Real simple. Like I said, this is through invite only. So let's say you come here, you go to the page and you just type yourexternalseed.com and you want to join. This is what you get. So you cannot register without an invalid inviter. Come back here with an invited link. So you have to click on the invited link, whoever sent you the invite, or on one of these YouTube videos where they have their link. You click on a link and you will get this page, and then you can register. Other than that, you'll get this message. Because this is, like I said, this is through invite only. It's kind of an exclusive club. So this is how it goes. This is how it works. So let's go. Once you will register that page, let's get this laid right here again. Bam. All right, here we go. Boom. Once you register that account, you will have your back office. This is how the back office looks. Obviously, you won't have all these boards. These are the boards I joined. Some of them are retired. I'll explain that in a second. But you won't have any of this because you didn't join a board yet. Now, once you're here, the first thing that you will do is uh, do your profile. Fix your profile. That's your personal information. You go to it again here. This is how your profile page will look. Let's get this light here popping. Here we go. Okay, we go up. You put your first name, last name. Once again, now you fix it. Now you fix it to how you want it, and it's going to be finalized here. Well, you can always change. It's not going to be nothing finalized. You can always change it and update it. So this is my inviter, Mika P. This is her Gmail, her phone. Uh, this will be you will put your first name, last name, Gmail address, phone number, your PIN code again. And this is very important right here. Obviously, you have your password, but this right here is how you want to be gifted through PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo. Me personally, I do PayPal and Zelle, and I write this message on the message board when you're ready to gift the senior. Let's say I'm the senior, you're ready to gift me. All right, most people have that. Please read carefully. Please gift within 24 hours and do not include the words gift, bless, or board when you're sending gifts. Use only board number and username. That's very important. And you put how you want to get gifted. Your Zelle information, your PayPal information, your Cash App information, your Venmo information. It's very important. You want to be gifted. Remember, you gift once to get gifted back 8 times. I will show you. So we did that. That went through. Now, once you finish there, you come back here and you see this. See, this is the board. Now you're ready to start gifting. So remember, this is your back office. This is your name. This will be the link you send people. That will be, if you click on the my link, your invite will be me. My name will be here. So far, I have 10 invitees. Now, I won't show you my invitees because you'll see their phone number, the email addresses, and all that. We don't want none of that right here. Let me see where I'm at. Where it says your invitees. I have 10 people under here. So, due to privacy, I don't want to show you their phone numbers and their email and Gmail addresses. When you have your inviters, when you're on the board and you're rocking and rolling, you will have all their information. This way you can always text them, email them on, webinars or, certain different strategies that we're working on, or send them on, Christmas Merry Christmas card or whatever. But you always keep in contact with your inviters. This way, you keep some communication. Okay, when you come here, now you're gonna go on a $25 board. Everyone starts on this $25 board. We all do the same thing. Everyone gives the same amount and gets back the same amount. No one goes higher than the other. Everyone is equal here. But you have to remember when you're ready to when you click on this board, make sure you're ready to send that $25 gift. We have a new strategy that we're going to give twice on this $25 board. So instead of 25, it'll be 50 if you can. You can't, 25 is fine. That's it's not mandatory you do 50, but if you want to double your gifts and you have and you can do two enter yourself twice, that'll be $50. You would just double your gift when it's your turn to receive. I'll show you how this works right here. So once you click on this $25 board right here, this is how it's going to look. See, I gifted twice. Former J, she gifted twice. The Gifting a Good Life gifted twice. Mika P is the senior on this board, and she will be gifted by 8 freshmen. So it goes freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. So remember, the senior is the only one getting gifted, and the senior will get gifted 8 times. So Mika P was down here at one point. This is my inviter, Mika P. Down here at one point, she gifted a senior, and she eventually moved up the ranks as the boards keep pushing up. So right here, I was like last week, maybe a couple of weeks ago, like last week, I was down here. I got 2 slots, so I ended up getting one here and one here, which was $50. So that's what I did. I got 1 and 2. Former J ended up getting 3 and 4. We were on this side of the board. The board splits. The first, so you put this imaginary line right here. You have 1 through 4 and 5 through 8. The previous board that we were all on this side. Uh, the board split. Mika P was down here at the junior level. She moved up to senior. The Gifting a Good Life was down here at the sophomore level. He moved up to junior. And me and Fomar J was down here at the freshman level. I had 1 and 2. She had 3 and 4. So we moved up. So when you come here, you want to place yourself twice. How you do this is you click on where it says place me here. You click on it fast twice. Boom, boom, real hard. I mean, real quick. 1, 2, and then you have 2 slots, and you can gift the senior. Then you have information on your back office how to gift the senior, how senior likes to be gifted, whether it be PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo. You have their phone number, their Gmail, so you can communicate with them. Because not everyone has all 4. Some just have PayPal, some just have Cash App. So it depends how you're sending your gifts or receiving your gifts. So remember, you gift once when it's your turn, you're going to get gifted back 8 times. So you go 1 for 8. It's not a bad deal at all. And if you do this new strategy, which you come in twice, you'll have 2 boards, so you'll be gifted twice. So instead of being gifted, $200 once, you'll be gifted $200 twice. You'll be on 2 boards, so that'll be $400, and all you came out of your pocket was $25. Very simple strategy. Remember, twice, $50. If you can't, then once is fine. Don't worry about that. But I'm gonna show you something else also. After you gift the senior, this is very important. You come up here and you sign a gifting form. This is how your gifting form will look. Click on this. Boom. All right, boom. We got that. This is how your gifting form will look. You will type the recipient's name, not your inviter, but the person that's getting gifted, whoever it may be. In this case, it's my inviter, Mika P. You click there. You sign whoever's name it is. Remember, it doesn't have to be your inviter, because most of the time when you're gifting someone, it's not going to be your inviter. You're gifting someone else. So you click there, you click submit, and this is how it will look. This is how your non-solicitation form will look. To Yumika Porter, you have your name twice. You read everything. Right? Over here, you're on the $25 board, so you put $25. If you're on a $100 board, you put $100, $500, whichever board you're on. So in this case, it's the $25 board. So I'll put $25 there. Over here, I'll type my name, and you're good to go. You could take a snapshot of it, email it to the person you're gifting. Because remember, you're gonna have their information on your back office. This way there'll be proof of the gift that you sent. You know what I mean? That's that. Now we're done with that. That'll take care of itself. Then we come back here, get rid of this, get rid of this one right here. Boom. Get rid of this one. I'm gonna show you the pages, the boards that I've been on so far. Well, let's go back here. Pages that I've been on so far. So I've been already retired two $25 boards. I got my name Chiba, been retired. So $25 here, and I retired this one not too long ago. $25 there, $25 board there. So that's $400 that I received back. Remember, you go gift once to get received back eight gifts. So this one I received 8 times $25 because it's a $25 board. That's $200 gifts I received, and I only put in $25. Understand that? Then eventually we moved on. And I was on another $25 board, and I retired that. I got gifted back $200 from there. So out of only $25 so far, I've been gifted back $400. Now I'm also on this board here, which I'm a senior, which I'm gonna be starting getting gifts soon. So that's another $25 board that I'm on, and I'm also on this $100 board. So I'm gonna be gifted back from 8 people $100. That'll be $800. See how it's working? So I was already gifted twice, so it worked. I receive all the monies, all the gifts from there, and it works. So this is how the strategy works. Like I said, you go on the $25 board, you gift twice. That'll be so you could be gifted back double. Once you finish the $25 board, you jump on this $100 board. So the $200 you get from here, you get gifted for this $25 board. You take 100 out and you gift the next board. Once you jump onto the next level, you come back to the $25 board and gift 2 more times. So you'll always be on a board. You will always be on a board. Remember, the $25 board is what pushes everything up. Nothing else works. Once you hear on these boards, you're just chilling. You're easy. You just stay there, you chill, you don't invite nobody, you don't do nothing. Everybody's everybody that comes in on the $25 board, and $25 boards is what pushes everything up. You understand what I'm saying? So that's how it works. So let's say you're on a senior level at this $100 board. Remember, you already gifted someone $100. You didn't come out your pocket. Once you finish the $25 board, it's all house money. So you do this $100 board. Once you finish gifting there, that'll be $800 you're gonna get gifted back. $100 from 8 people. You come here. You take from that 800, you take 500. You go on the next board, and you also come back to the $25 board, and you go on twice. So this way you'll be on every board. Eventually you're going to be on every board. When you finish 500, you jump to the 1,000. From 500, you're going to get gifted 8 times. That'll be $4,000. You take 1,000, you go to the next board. For that 3,000, you take $50 and you jump on the $25 board again twice. You'll be on every board eventually. Then from the 1,000, you jump on this $3,000 board. Once you're on the $3,000 board, that's the goal. You're going to get gifted 8 times $3,000 from 8 people. That's $24,000. You understand what I'm saying? So once the way I'm gonna do it, once I'm on this board, I'm gonna stay on the $3,000 board. Once you get gifted 24,000, I'll take 3,000, stay on that board, but then I will also come back to the 25 and start all over again, the same system. And this way, you always stay on the board, and you would always get gifted. You will gift someone, and you will always get gifted. That's the double, to double your gifting. I think is a great strategy. Is a good strategy. Oh man, I made a mistake. So so that'll be extremely good right there. So you're gonna get gifted twice on every board. That's the plan. That's the strategy. Extremely simple. And like I said, you join this page, click join us, register your account. They'll activate your back office, or I'll activate your back office free of charge. I won't even charge you the $10. We good. I'm gonna waive that fee, and that's basically it. I'm also on this $100 board, which I'm gonna show you right here. This was before this double your gift strategy. Everybody clicked in once, so I'm here on the senior level. I got gifted 5 times so far on this $100 board, so that's $500. Now it's proof here because when you're on the senior level, you're gonna confirm the people sending you gifts. So I confirmed 5 payments of $100 each. So I received $500 so far, $500 gifts so far on this board. So once one person clicks here, this board will close. Everyone here move up, and this board will split. Everyone here move up. Jay Cuevas will be senior. He signed under me, and these two will be up here at the junior level, and these four will be up here at the sophomore level. Once everyone gives, then this board will be completely retired and everyone will have their new board and their own board. Then I will jump up to the $500 level and also to the $25 level. That's how it goes. But this so far right now, I have been gifted 5 times and I have to confirm their payments. So it does work. And truthfully, I received these gifts while I was sleeping. I woke up in the morning and I have $100 on my PayPal or my Zelle account. It works while I was sleeping. I mean, you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. So that works there. Let's eliminate that. This is the $25 boy you're wrong. We eliminate that. And this is your back office. Simple. Now, thank you for listening. If you understood what everything, if you didn't, write me. I'll hit you back. Don't worry about it. Any questions, feel free to ask. If you like this video, like what you heard, give you value, click on that like, subscribe, comment, share. And I'll see you soon and I'll keep you updated on what's going on. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Stay blessed. Be good. Have a blessed new year.